Though the lockdown has been extended till June 9 in Kerala, the government on Monday announced some more relaxations. Morning and evening walks will be allowed in public places from 5 am to 7 am in the morning and from 7 pm to 9 pm in the evening from Tuesday onwards. But the walkers will have to follow COVID protocol. From June 7th, all central and state government offices, public sector undertakings and private companies will be allowed to operate on a rotation basis with 50% employees. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan informed this on Monday after the COVID review meeting. Other exemptions and stipulations are as follows. Government employees who have been excluded from the lockdown, government employees who are required to answer questions in the Legislative Assembly, and employees required to conduct examination must come to office. Entrance to clothing, footwear, and jewellery stores are only allowed after showing wedding invitation. Home delivery will be available for others. Stationery shops will not be allowed to open. Permits for industrial establishments and manufacturing facilities do not apply to the service sector. The vaccination exemption for those going abroad for study and employment will apply to Hajj pilgrims as well. Vaccine will be given to those above 45 years of age as per the SMS received. Vaccine will be given to all over the age of 18 in tribal areas without priority for any. Police trainees participating in the training, volunteers registered with the portal, field staff of Indian Med Department, field staff of Kochi Metro and Kochi Water Metro field staff will be considered as vaccination frontline workers. Strict action will be taken against those misusing relaxations. News Desk, Kaumudy English.